Bernard Collaery can finally feel relief. Years of investigation and criminal prosecution are now over.
Today I have determined that the prosecution should end.
Solicitor Bernard Collaery, a former Attorney-General of the ACT, represented an intelligence agent whistleblower known as Witness K. The agent wanted an investigation into allegations Australian spies had bugged the Timorese cabinet in 2004, allegedly to gain an upper hand in negotiations over massive undersea oil and gas reserves. Collaery was called to give confidential evidence at an international court in The Hague, but was stopped from leaving the country. Later, he and Witness K were charged under the Intelligence Services Act.
The law is my life. Professing the law and bringing justice is my life. People say, when are you going to retire? I say, well, I'll drop dead in court maybe. And I intend to see out my life pursuing justice and the rule of law.
I'm very pleased to see that at long last, and far too late really, this whole matter is being brought to an end.
In 2018, Attorney-General Christian Porter announced both men would be tried in secret, unleashing a storm of criticism.
I would describe this current legal action against Witness K and Bernard Collaery as frankly an act of bastardry.
It seems vindictive to have filed these charges, almost a perversion of justice to have done it 14 years after the event.
Witness K pleaded guilty. Bernard Collaery was facing at least 2 years in prison if convicted, but now his secret trial will not proceed.
This is an exceptional case. Governments must protect secrets, and our government remains steadfast in our commitment to keep Australians safe by keeping secrets out of the wrong hands.
This is a prosecution that, in my view, really should not have been begun. It was very difficult to see how the public interest would be served by prosecuting somebody in his position for offences of this kind.
In a written statement, Bernard Collaery said he was in awe of the depth of support in the community for ethical values, and today's decision means he can now move forward with his life and legal practice. The opposition has described the Attorney-General's decision as an unprecedented step which would undermine national security. Former New South Wales Director of Public Prosecutions Nicholas Cowdery argues dropping the case will not put national secrets at risk.
I don't believe that it is a green light to leak information. There are laws in place that protect our national security and our national interests. I think, practically speaking, this will be the end of it.